In this video, you're gonna learn everything about the stock market. What are stocks? A stock is also known as a share. Buying a stock in a company means you have a proportionate ownership of that company. In simple terms, if Apple has 100 stocks and you buy one of them, then you own 1/100th of the company. How does the stock market work? You may be wondering, why exactly do companies sell stocks? The answer is simple. By selling stocks in their company, they earn more money for investing in their company. If the buyers see more growth and potential, then they buy stocks which end up being profitable. Buying stocks in a company which has no growing possibilities is a loss. For example, if you had invested $1,000 in Bitcoin a few years ago, you would have earned $2 million today. The value of a stock in a company depends on the number of interested buyers. If more people are interested in buying stocks of a company, then its stock price increases, and if the number of buyers decrease, then its value goes down. Why to invest in stocks? Investing in the stock market is easy and efficient if you make the right decision. It gives you an opportunity to earn potentially higher returns than your investments. If you invest your money in the right stock, then you can earn money without even having to do any work. How and where do you invest in the stocks? In the start of the stock market, matching buyers to sellers was done manually on the trading floor. Now it's mostly done in the trading system. This makes the market values fluctuate even faster. If you want to know more about investing in the stock market, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.